Hello guys, today we are going to see how to make a pendrive bootable. For make the pendrive bootable, we need to check the disk is on MBR or GPT format. So let's go. Just type CMD on your Windows search and type disk part. So it will show it will turn into your CMD disk part. And then you have to go into list disks. So it will show all the disk at your hard disk. So you can see your partition on GPT. So cut down and go search for Rufus. It's a small software. It should be download. Okay, here you go, the latest version. Just click on download. Yes. Open the exe file. Double click. It will ask for the permission. Just go yes. Okay, so now you can see your pen drive there, and you have to select the bootable media, ISO. So then you have to choose the partition scheme. So it will be GPT since my disk on GPT. So just get start. Just you don't need to think anything about it. Just click OK. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now it is started, and after completed you will see the Pendrive is bootable. It's mostly ready.